Wait, no, okay. Okay, Emma's gonna give talk too.
Hi.
I'm gonna give her speech. Okay?
Alright, I just want to say, through high school, I never had a girlfriend except for one, and she was kind of socially retarded. So, no.
Like Sex God too.
Yes.
Perfect example. Okay, so you know when we're
Yes, we're in the bathroom, right guys?
Sex God too is socially retarded.
I've never had friends
This is
do that. This is perfect. I'm on speech right there. I never had friends do that for me before, and I never even thought that friends actually did that for each other. So to have you guys do that for me was like on a different level. Like I didn't even think friends did that for each other.
We love you.
I'm serious. I never did think that friends did that for each other. Like I go out that way.
Mwah. I love you, Emma. Love you more.
Okay.